We are just a few days away from the release of my new book, A Parent's Guide to Self-Regulation. And one of the biggest questions I'm getting is, who is this book for? Is it for parents? Is it for children? I want to explain that. This book is for parents. It is for you, because we already know that children get dysregulated and we are then having to teach them these regulation skills. However, we often don't have the tools to teach because we don't have them ourselves. This book is for any parent who has struggled to manage their own big emotions as they're trying to help their child cope with them. This book is also for the parent who is really wanting to do parenting differently. They're wanting to prioritize emotional health and emotional well-being, but maybe they realized that was not the priority when they were growing up. This book is for the parent who also feels some guilt, some shame about mistakes or imperfections that they have about parenting, and wanting to really figure out how to move beyond that so they can show up in the best way that they can for their children. So I'm so excited for you to get this book, to learn everything you need about emotional regulation for yourself so that you can be the parent that I know you so desperately need and want to be.